Hi guys, it's Grayson here. So for those that don't know me, I'm a stock investor and I've experience working with an investment firm. So this video is all about how to start investing, because I know there's a lot of people out there, they want to start investing, but they either don't know how to do it or either don't know what should they do. So this video I'm gonna list out all the things you need to do before you start investing. So let's get to it. So for your easier understanding, I've concluded all the things you need to do or you need to prepare before you start investing into 6 different steps, and I'm gonna bring you one by one and let you have a better understanding. So the first thing we need to do before we start investing is we have to know our own risk tolerance level. It means what kind of degree of risk you are willing and able to take in the financials market. For example, if you're a low risk taker, you can invest in things like commodities or bonds. But if you can take a slightly higher risk, you can invest in mutual funds, unit trusts, and stocks. So it all depends on how much of a pressure and the downturn you can take in the financials market. And the second thing is, before we invest, we have to know where do we want to invest or what country do we want to invest in. Because when you buy a stocks, actually you are buying a business itself actually. So it's very important for you to know the country of where your business is very well too. Do the country you're about to invest have many natural disasters? Do they have many domestic conflicts that will affect the business? So it's very important for you to find out all these factors yourself. For me, like myself, before I invest in Indonesian stocks, actually I have concerns about their domestic conflicts. But in the end, I still make my investment decisions due to many factors. So same as you have to find out all these factors yourself and make the investment decisions yourself too. And the third thing before we invest is we have to make sure we have the enough education and knowledge to do so. Because it's very important for you to know what you are doing in the financials market. For me, I recommend to read a lot. You can either read books, newspaper, news, online articles, or watch educational video like this. So please like my video and subscribe my channel because I'll update you very frequently. So again, it's very important for you to have the enough educations and skills and knowledge before you invest in the actual stocks using your actual money. And the fourth thing we have to do before we invest is we have to make sure we're investing with the trusted and authorized brokerage firm. Because the last thing we want in our path of investing is our money end up with someone or somewhere that are not trusted and unauthorized, and our money vanish with no reason whatsoever. So it's very important for you to find out the brokerage firm you're about to use is authorized by the government bodies. And personally myself, I'm using Hong Leong Bank and Maybank brokerage in Malaysia here, and I'm using OCBC securities in Indonesia. And the fifth thing you have to do before you invest is come out with your own investment strategy. Do you want to invest long term or short term? Do you go to the stocks market to just trade the stocks or to invest the stocks? Because there's a huge difference between trade and invest. And do you want to invest in stocks only, or do you want to invest a combination of stocks and bonds? All these things you have to figure out yourself before you invest in stocks. And the key factor to have a successful investing is come out with a strategy and always stick to the plan. Never let outside or the outsider affect your decisions. And the last thing, and perhaps is the most important one, is stay committed. It's very important to stay committed in the financials market, because the route to invest is never easy and it's definitely not a get rich quick scheme. So please give the market enough patience and the market will reward you greatly. So the last thing I want to say before I end this video is we never time the market. Instead, we give time to the market and always try to update and upgrade your investment skill and knowledge to help you to make a better investment decisions. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe my channel if you like to see more content like this. I wish you have a good day and happy investing.